Maayong buntag, Jensen! Lumalagablab na naman yung init ng araw ngayong Lunes, guys. Alas 9 pa lang, pero grabe yung araw natin. Parang alas 12 na. Tinanghali ako ng labas today kasi hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos. Merong mga guys, merong mga subay. Yung langgam ba? Langgam sa Tagalog. Sa amin sa Bisaya, may mga subay kagabi dun sa floor. Dahil siguro sa snack ng mga bata, kaya nakagat ako ng ilang beses. Hindi ako makatulog kasi natatakot ako na yung subay magpasok sa ating tenga. Ang sakit-sakit niyan, guys. Sobrang liit lang pero napakasakit. So ngayon ako ay medyo na late ako nagising. Pero okay lang kasi naman all is well. All is well. Tapos ngayon, papunta na kami ni Mayumi sa Mayumi Thailand Closet. Dahil ako ay magkakaroon ng live selling ng ating mga sleepwear. So ngayon, bakit nga ba ako mabilis mag live selling, guys? Kasi iba pa din yung effect kapag live selling. So, wait, check natin yung camera. Ayan. Iba pa din kasi yung nagagawa ng live selling. Kasi kapag live selling, talagang nakikita talaga yung item. Mas na ma-manage yung expectations ng mga buyers natin, customers or clients kapag nakikita nila yung item. So maganda at na-discover pala ni Mark itong ating live selling kasi para kang nagre-present at nagpo-promote ng iyong paninda sa napakalaking viewers. So kapag wala yan, ako ang hirap siguro isa-isahin natin. Ma'am, bili ka nito, ganito ang itsura, ma'am, ganito, kuha ka ng video here and there, send mo isa-isa, mahirap. So dahil sa live selling, nakakatulong yan para sa ating mga online sellers. Dito nga pala sa pwesto ko, guys, kung nasaan ako, hindi lang ako yung isang online seller, online selling shop na nandun. Actually, ikadalawa na kami, pero hindi talaga ako nagsisi, no. I want to give you guys an update about my decision sa pagtayo ng Mayumi Thailand Closet. Though hindi man maganda yung location ko dahil wala ako sa highway or hindi busy yung aking lugar, pero I am getting I got the right space. I got the right location kasi talagang nakakapag-concentrate kami sa aming live selling. So, I am trying na makapag live selling at least 2 to 3 times a week sa Mayumi. And then sa gold natin, kasi yung gold kailangan mabilisan yun, guys. Sa 18 karat Saudi gold, maraming nagtatanong sa inyo kung ano yung aking binibenta. It's 18 karat Saudi gold na merong magagaan at merong mabibigat. So pag sinabi nating magaana sa around 1 gram, 2 grams, 3 grams, ganon. Pero pag mga mabigat na, guys, at least tumutungtong siya ng 5 grams pataas. So habang bumibigat din siya, mas lalo din siyang nagmamahal. Syempre mas malaki din yung value niya, lalong-lalo na kapag nag-appreciate yung gold. Kaya pala sinasabi nila na napakagandang investment ng gold kasi pataas ng pataas yung prices niya. By the time na binenta mo siya, kunyari bumili ka ngayon and yung value ng gold na binili mo is nasa 30,000 pesos, there's a big chance na in 3 years or 5 years, depende, pwedeng dumoble yung pera mo pag binenta mo yung nabiling alahas. So dun ko siya na-gets. Ang hina ko dito sa gold na to, guys, pero ang dami-dami ko natutunan. So tara, let's go na. Okay, guys, andito na ako sa loob ng Mayumi Thailand Closet. And pwede daw. Pwede magbayad doon ng passport. At sige niya, remind ko magbilin ko kwarta. Napay kwarta dira sa sa
lang. 200 man to, no? Naman tagikuha kay antitubig.
Oo. Alright. Hay nako, guys. Ang ating padede queen ay nawala sa schedule. Pero okay lang kasi wala tayong magagawa. There's no shortcut to breastfeeding talaga. Anyway, meron tayong bagong item sa Mayumi. Ang ganda, pinabihisan ni Miss Giselle ang ating mga mannequin ng CEO style, diba? Executive style yan. Naka-shorts yan at saka overlap na top. Ang ganda. Ito pa yung dalawang color namin. Sa harap din. Brown at saka yung ating Barbie pink. So, while Miss Giselle is preparing our items for live selling ngayon, dahil may bago kaming dating at marami tayong orders, maraming salamat sa lahat po ng bumili at nagtiwala sa ating silk sleepwear. Kami ay magkakaroon ng another live selling in about 30 minutes, inshallah, pag okay na si Mayumi. And Another milestone nga pala, kailangan pala naming mag-celebrate ni Miss Joselle, guys. You know why? Wait, ikot natin yung camera. Ayan. Kailangan pala naming mag-celebrate ni Miss Joselle for another milestone ngayong buwan. Ngayong buwan na to ng March, because we finally received our business permit for Mayumi Consumer Goods Trading. Yay! Hindi na kailangan ng sound effect. So, masaya kami ni Miss Joselle kasi we feel like we are operating on a good pace. Ayun. Kasi meron tayong mga documents, meron kaming papeles, at saka display natin agad yan, guys. Lagay natin agad sa picture frame. Kasi mahirap mamaya pag merong mga nag-ikot para mag-check kung may business permit ba tayo, baka hindi nila makita na naka-display at magkaroon tayo ng violation. And worse, magkakaroon tayo ng babayaran or fine. So, tingnan natin mamaya pag naka-frame na yon. Ang ganda na niyan tingnan. I-display natin ulit dito. Ayun.
A few moments later.
Tulog na tulog si Mayumi. Kaya marami tayong nagawang trabaho. Ako guys, dito sa Mayumi, ayan, nag-change outfit muna ako saglit dahil nagkaroon ako ng clothes transition. Yun nga pala yung latest ko na inaaral ngayon, guys. So, it's very important na as a boutique seller, kapag meron tayong ganitong klaseng tindahan or kahit anong klaseng negosyo meron tayo, we always have to think outside of the box. Ayun. How do we think outside of the box? Huwag tayong maging konporme or maging komportable. Kailangan nating, we always try to keep on pushing how to make it better for our small business. Kasi hindi ibig sabihin na maliit yung negosyo natin, nakaupo lang tayo, waiting for things to happen. No, we have, it needs consistent effort. Para lang yung pag-ibig eh. Oh, ayun, na-connect na naman natin sa pag-ibig, guys. Love needs work. Again, uulitin natin, love needs work. Katulad lang din yan ng pagbibusiness. Kailangan consistent yung effort natin. It needs work. It needs sacrifices. Hindi ibig sabihin na kapag patayo na ako ng tindahan na ganito or nakapagsimula ako ng maliit na negosyo, hindi po ibig sabihin nun patulog-tulog na lang ako, guys. Hindi ako pwede maging luya-luya. Mas lalong hindi rin ako pwedeng maging semi-luya. Okay? Dapat talaga everyday kumbati talaga tayo. Kasi kailangan meron ako mga anak na laging nag-look up sa akin pag uwi ko ng bahay kung may dala ba akong Yakult or tinapay. So I was saying, guys, I was trying to learn the skill from TikTok, yung mga clothes transition na hindi ko alam paano gagawin. I was slowly learning it. At ngayong araw, I would say na I'm proud of myself. Ayan, suotan natin to ng sandal. Minsan kasi, okay, so kapag flats yung suot niyong sandal, this is how it will look. Ayan. Alright, pero pag medyo naka-heels tayo, papakita ko sa inyo how it looks like. Gang, we have an ulo. But if we are going to use a bit of heels, hindi naman kailangang mataas. Kahit na ganito lang siya kataas, guys, that is only 2 inches. And this is also block heel para hindi mahirap maglakad. This outfit will really give you an on-the-go feel. Ayan, you can go to the beach, you can go to the garden, casual look lang. Hindi masyadong sexy yung shorts niya. As you can see the length. So, hindi siya yung as in sobrang mga puok-puok na shorts, guys. What I really like about this top is it doesn't only look very nice and comfortable and stylish, kundi kasyang-kasya din siya from small, medium, large, extra large, hanggang XXL yan. Yahoo! Yes, it's hard to believe, but right now for me, I'm wearing, my sizes are already in large, pero I am already wearing this one and it looks so comfortable. As you can see, ang kanyang shorts ay stretchable. Ganun din po yung kanyang mga sleeves at shoulders. So, sinukat na to ni Miss Joselle. In fact, Miss Joselle also has this kind and it was really, really nice and comfortable. Kaya, I really recommend this one. Especially ngayong summer. Sa hindi mahilig magpalda, pwede po kayong mag-shorts. Ayan. You can pair up shoes, flat shoes, or flat sandals, or pwede din ganito. Medyo merong heel. Okay, isa pa ito guys na kulay. So, etong ating split shorts from Vietnam. May available po tayo in 4 different colors. Pero sold out na tayo dun sa, sold out na tayo sa isang kulay. So, ngayon, paabot na ako sale na available natin for this one. Nagbenta na lang din ako dito sa YouTube, guys. Puslan man naganood kayo, sige. Sorry. Okay. So, ayan guys, 3 kulay available na lang dito. Sold out na yung purple natin. So, meron tayong white, merong pink. Maganda po yung pink. Ang ganda nitong pink. And then, it's also available in, ayan, mga animal print siya, pero in a very unique and kind of very nice color. So, hindi siya buki. Tingnan, hindi ko alam ano yung buki sa Tagalog, guys. Pero, ang ganda ng kulay. One might think na bakit ganun yung color. Pero, once na nasuot mo, you will really appreciate it. And what's good about this split shorts, hindi halata na mapuson tayo. Hindi ko alam sa, dinamay ko pa kayo guys, pero hindi halata na mapuson ako, lalo na nakakaanak ko pa lang and I'm not wearing any tummy band. So as you can see, ang laki pa rin ng ating postpartum na tummy, and that is 2 months postpartum. So hindi siya halata, as you can see guys. Kahit po nakatagilid tayo, hindi siya pangit tingnan. Ang ganda pa rin niya tingnan. So I really appreciate this one. Pag na-appreciate ninyo, please kindly visit our Facebook page, My Yumi Thailand Closet. Ayan po ang aming page sa gilid. Pakibisitahan po. And how would you know that this is the legit page? Meron po kaming over 7,000 followers dito sa page namin na to. Pag kopya po kasi, hindi siya katulad ng followers. So, yung amin is 7,000 plus followers, then you would know that that is the legit page ng Mayumi Thailand Closet. And also, kapag hindi pa din kayo sigurado, please do video call before payment. Either ako yung sasagot or si Miss Jocelle na sobrang busy ngayon, kaka-reply sa mga queries ninyo online. Ayan, say hi! Ayan si Miss Jocelle, guys. Ganito lang kami dito, nabubuhay lang kami, guys, sa online selling. Pag walang online selling, walang benta. Pero okay lang. Tuloy ang buhay.
Eternity later.
Where did you get it? Like, how many subscribers did you get it?
When you reach 100,000 subscribers, right? You are going to, when you reach 100,000 subscribers, then you will get it. Yes, in content creating, right?
Yeah.
Especially in YouTube, it's not very easy to get to such point in your vlogging where you get like 100,000, right?
Yeah.
Tita started very slow. I only had like 20 and then 30 and then 40, and it's just my family members, your mom, my sister, Mami Sheena. They're the only ones who's watching me, yeah? But it's okay. I kept on pushing, and then I tried and tried until finally they noticed me. And then I grew, and now it's almost in 400,000.
Do you sometimes celebrate? Because mostly in different types of YouTubers, some of them or half of them maybe use a confetti, and when they reach to 5 million or more, they would release the confetti out of the holder.
Yeah, everything can be celebrated. We celebrate good milestone, right? We call them milestone. Milestone means if you reach something that you were not if you reach somewhere that you did not even expect, you know, it's a milestone. So now that's a milestone, we celebrate it. And anyway, can be going out in the on a restaurant, can be going to the beach, can be getting myself something or my kids something, or you, like that. So anyway, let's go back to the word psychotic.
Psychotic?
Yeah. So how did you learn the word psychotic?
You mean the psychopath I just said?
Yeah, sorry, the psychopath. How did you learn that word?
Wait. Let me find. Wait, how did I really got it? I just can't remember.
So,
when.
psychopath is like a very, very deep and serious word. It's not something like when we are joking in our local language and then we say
people are avoiding.
Yeah, not really avoiding, but it's really serious. Like, it's not something we normally talk about because it takes a really good doctor, you know, to tell if someone is a psychopath. It's not like saying in our local language, buang man ka, uy, kabuang nimo, buang ka, nabuang na. It's not like that, right? Because it doesn't really, sometimes the meaning of crazy in our local language doesn't really mean much anymore when we are talking to our friends, right? But psychopath is a different level. It's like scary level.
Yeah.
Right? But it's good. It's good that you know words and you know the meaning of it. But I don't think you should say it.
I might find them in Google.
Yeah. But it's scary. I don't think you should find it.
Like 3 a.m. videos?
Don't even watch those videos.
They just do it for like views. You know the potions.
Oh, you instead of talking to me in English, why don't we speak in Bisaya and we try? Si Ate Ashley kasi guys, mga English spoken dollar yan sila, lalo na yung mga paaralan dito ngayon. Hindi ko lang alam. Are you talking in Bisaya in your school, Ate?
Yeah, sometimes. Whenever people socialize themselves, they'll speak English right now.
Na-nosebleed ko yung nag-drive. Hindi na siya maka-comment, guys. I'd rather be quiet. sabi ng kapatid ko, I'd rather be quiet and I'd rather have no comment.
I'd rather be listening now.
I'd rather have bad times with you.
Yeah!
So anyway, those of you guys who are asking, Ate Ashley, by the way, hindi ko siya masyadong gina-expose kasi hindi naman kami magkasama lagi. I used to spend time with Ate Ashley, right?
Yeah.
When I didn't have Mayumi. But now Mayumi is with me. It's not really comfortable to hang out together. But si Ate Ashley, guys, ay ang kaedad ni Kahil. My sister, Madam Ten Gibbs, nanganak siya few months ahead. I think 6 months. Nanganak siya 6 months ahead. Tapos ako nanganak kay Kuya Kahil. So sila ni Kuya Kahil at si Ate Ashley ang magkabatch. So every time Kahil is here in the Philippines or every time we went home before, talagang spend time namin sila together. Kasi we would really like them to be as close as possible. Para naman they can feel para naman they can really feel na family. Ayun, hindi sila maging awkward. Yun kasi minsan yung problema sa relationship, especially kids these days. Mahirap magkaroon ng connection kasi kanya-kanya ng likes and interest. Kanya-kanya ng cellphone. Kanya-kanya ng mga hanash sa buhay. So, pinapaalalahanan ko lagi si Kuya Kahil na Ashley is his cousin and they should feel comfortable with each other. They should be able to tell jokes. They should be able to have fun together. They should be able to hang out, you know. Now, no pretend, no what. Kasi, magpinsan pa silang buo, right? So, now, Ate Ashley Kahil is not here, but Ashley is, I think, looking forward, right?
I still have my top 1 best friend, Gabriel. And if Gabriel is watching this, hi Gabriel! My grade 5 top 1 best friend in SCWA.
Wow. Is Gabriel a name of a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Oh, a best friend is a boy?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's fine. Nobody said it's not okay. Ayun guys, so sinundo namin si Ate Ashley ngayon dahil kami ay napagod na sa kakahanap ng pera guys. Mga kakapagod ng hanap ng pera, magpahinga naman tayo ng konti. So ngayon papasyal kami sa bahay nila Madam Ten Gibbs. Tara samahan nyo kami dun. Makikikain tayo, ano kayang merienda niya. Si Madam Ten Gibbs kasi kahit na hindi naman siya masyadong malakas kumain guys, pero hindi pwedeng kulang yung 5 times a day na meal. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa meal number 4. Mamayang gabi yung meal number 5. So makikikain tayo. And speaking of which, dahil sila ay aalis at may pupuntahan sila and nakiusap siya sa akin na kami muna yung titira sa bahay nila. para masamahan ang everything at everyone. Everything at everyone talaga. So let's go. Come with us. Grabe oh, ginalibutan nila si Mayumi parang ialay. Haba, uy.
Ano si Nasriga? Pagkakita niya.
Stop crying eh.
Until when she stops singing, she's crying na.
One more.
Naghilat na siya.
Twinkle with your star, how I wonder what you are.
Whee! Proud kayo ang mother! Stage ma'am! Kalianing, pakitain tayo yung Ferrari lang. Na ma'am, I just want Ferrari.
Wow, sana all Ferrari.
This is Jerry.
Capacity.
Yes, how old are you?
I am.
What's the name of your mommy? What's the name of mommy? Ho! Miss Atutita. Wow. Bottoms up.
Turn up.
Thumbs up.
Very good, doy. Very good. Tutita man di ay na.
He's cute when he dances.